Welcome to Riho Tech TV.
Yeah, welcome to Riho Tech TV. We have been looking at trade tests in South Africa in electrical, and today is going to be a kind of a continuation. And then now, before we're going to look at normally open and closed concept, because actually connecting panels is all about normally open and normally closed. They have to know which one is open and which one is closed. So today we're just going to have a short videos on the concept of normally open and closed. Open and close, and then we're going to look at the normally open and closed switches. Okay, so let's start with the first one, and we're going to look at the concept of normally open. Actually, when we look at the connections or the switching systems, it's all about open. When the switch is open, that since it won't allow current to flow. Then when it is closed, then it allows current to flow. So when it is open, close. So the two concepts are used also in electrical connections, especially when it comes to machines, industrial machines connections, where we have to use our relays, our switches. But today we're just going to look at it. For example, this is as you can see, here is a normal. When you see green, it means it's a start button. A red, it is a stop button. And when you see this is an emergency stop. So we are going to look at the concepts relating to this normally open and normally switch. So for a start button, when you see a start button in the machine, it is green. You see it is green color. Green color, and it is normally open. That is normally open, we call it normally open NO. Then normally closed, we call it NC. So for a start button, it is NO, it is normally open. In other words, when you look at it, it's just like this. Let's use this concept here. So here, let's say you connect a current here. Let's say here is your life. This is your neutral, and this is your life. So if you connect it, and here, let's say you have a lamp here. If you have a lamp here, and this is your 220 volts, 220 volts. So now, in this case, what is going to happen here? This switch that you use is called normally open, NO. Simply means there won't be flow of electric current here because the switch is normally open. There is a break. So, but once the switch is pressed, then normally open turns to what? To normally close. When you press the switch, the normally open change to what? To the normally close, then the current will flow. So that you can see a sample here. So if you can use our multimeter and continuity stage. Just use our multimeter. Okay, you can see our switch now. You see? So it means you can see the connection. That is what we call the normally open. Go to the stop button. The stop button. The stop button is normally closed position. If we have a bulb here, and we pass our head and neutral here, then so here, this is normally closed. So the meaning of this is, when it is connected like this, it means it will allow current to flow. Everything will go on fine. But if you want to stop the machine, once you just press, then it will be open. Then the normally closed will turn to what? To normally open. Then, so, and the emergency stop, they both work the same way. Then emergency stop, we call it e-stop. It's also normally closed. Okay, so let's check on our table here. So you can see the red button, and don't forget, the stop button is red in color. So you can see that there is continuity in there. It is normally closed. But if I should press now, you see it is off. Then it's on again. Again, let's check this one. It's continuous, and when you press, it's off. Then when you look here, also this is emergency stop. The difference between them is just that emergency stop and normal stop. Emergency stop retain its position. When it is normally open, actually in the normal sense it is in normally closed. Let's see. You see? It's normally closed. But when you press, it becomes normally open. But then when you check e-stop is normally open continuously. I mean normally closed continuously. But when you press, so you can see it's now normally open. So but once you release your end, also it goes back to normally closed. Compared to this, where this one retain its position, but this one does not retain it, just a push button. But the more we go into the panel, then you will understand how to use them, the difference between two of them. I think if you learned something in today's lesson, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. So we'll see you next week.